Today's the day though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all see by the title, by the thumbnail, you feel me? Today is the day. We finna take the Tahoe to get wrapped. Finally got her in here. She finna go ahead and get put to work. Y'all want y'all shit wrapped, go ahead. Y'all in Illinois, go ahead, go there. Every time go get you right. You see, he in here working on me. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy lTraysavagel back with another video, man. Today's the day though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all see by the title, by the thumbnail, you feel me? Today is the day. We finna take the Tahoe to get wrapped. I'm a little bit behind. Had a rough little morning. How was y'all morning, man? Let me know in the comments how y'all morning was, man. I had a little bit of a rough one. I had a little bit behind on little stuff, but yeah, we finna get it all situated though. I'm like 10 minutes away from dropping off the little bow-legged hoe, you feel me? I was telling a lot of people I'm turning it in, but I'm a couple minutes from dropping it off. So we finna go ahead, finna drop it off. Finna get a little footage from where it's a little area where it's gonna be at, a little stuff like that. Give y'all a little bit of a sneak peek on the wrap. I gotta watch the whole video to see the wrap. I ain't gonna expose it, but my alarm came on for 6 o'clock. But as I was saying, if y'all want to see the wrap, see a sneak peek of it, make sure y'all watch the whole video, man. Make sure y'all watch the whole video through. I give y'all a little sneak peek of it. But for the people on the outside looking in, y'all ain't gonna know. Y'all gotta watch the whole video to really see. But yeah, man, we like 10 minutes away. Finna get ready to get off this freeway. Finna go ahead and get some of this stuff out here. My homie up there, oh shit, he waited for me. He got a Tahoe. He got an avalanche lifted. I ain't gonna lie, motherfucker decent. But gotta get a little bit of stuff situated on that, my boy. But hey, the motherfucker run it though, and it's nice. But like I say, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Watch the whole video if y'all want to see this wrap, man. I'm telling y'all, I don't know when I'm popping in here, but it'll be in here. But like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Do all that good stuff, and see y'all when I get there, and I go ahead and drop this truck off. We back, we in this bitch now. Finally got her in here. She finna go ahead and get put to work. She a little dusty right now, but my boy finna go ahead and boy Welch finna get this bitch together. I said I was give y'all a sneak peek. I'll give y'all a little glimpse of it. Y'all gotta watch the video all the way to see. But we gonna give y'all a little glimpse of what's going on. But these are all the colors. Y'all let me know what colors y'all think these bitches is. On me. We going two. We going split right down the middle of it. You know what I'm saying? We finna go ahead and get it together. You know, shit got the Ruska tool out here. Look. But trusty. Look. Motherfuckers that threw a heart and all type of shit on my shit, but yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, I got the dog sitting in the fucking inside. I gotta get all this other. Yeah, bro, tell me. I can't wait. Trey gets me kicked all the time. I don't know why. Bro, I should never let this nigga. Bro, you know, I blew 4 tweeters last night. Say what? I blew 4 tweeters. I went back to the house. I'm driving. I'm like, bro, my music don't sound the same, and I'm hearing it. And then next thing you know, I pulled up, get to the gas station. My back 2 doors out, but I think the back was all the way back. It already been blue. But when I go back, and he got to throw that other little shit in, I'm finna replace all that shit. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, my boy. If you gonna rock this motherfucker, you go ahead. All you gotta do is connect to the Bluetooth. Hey, that's all you gotta do. I ain't tripping. Out this garage, I'm telling you. That motherfucking box back there is something decent. Okay? Did I show you the new joint, the big one? Hold on, I'll leave the key in this motherfucker. Hold on. Oh, the key right here. Hold on. And then this bitch gonna be having problems. There you go. Come on, bitch. Hold on, let me give her a little kick. See this bitch chopping up.
She said she had fun.
Get these stickers. Shit too. Get my Instagram shit stickers. All my shit on the server. Everything.
This bitch catching dust. Oh yeah. I forgot that bitch together.
215s. Massive hippos.
I know just from that torque, that motherfucker ran.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't really pushed it all the way. That's
I'm
why
definitely
I
not.
think
That bitch was solid.
Bro, I ain't even.
that motherfucker is amazing.
Alright, finna go ahead and get ready to hand her over. If y'all want y'all shit rap, go ahead. Y'all in Illinois, go ahead, go there. Every time you go get you right. You see, he in here working on me. Boy, I ain't gonna lie, yo ass be something serious, but I seen you ass do like 3-4 stars in the middle and you still rapping, on me.
Bro, got to.
This bitch definitely gonna come out right. He got this bitch together. But yeah, man, make sure y'all do all that good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. We finna go ahead, turn her over. Y'all last time seeing her like this. Last time my time seeing her like this. And shit, we finna go ahead and start the summer off right. Make sure I ain't forgetting shit in here. That charger, that. Oh, I need this. I'm just gonna throw that on the back. Fuck it, we gonna take these. Well, I told y'all can have it on the lift. Y'all trying to come up with the lift from last, so don't worry about it. My folks finna come with the rap.
I was already getting it.
Well,
I was done.
yeah, man. Hold on, check y'all in a minute. What's up, y'all? Finally made it to the terminal. Gonna be here. Head back on the road till my truck get done. Probably like 12. I ain't really do nothing but drive around. My boy, yo, shit, drop me off. You see him, that boy in a Swift lot, boy. Put you on the vlog real quick. Gotta vlog the little end part of it.
You dig it, Rusty but Trusty. Y'all follow me on motherfucking Instagram. Can you dig it out live?
Hey, you hear me? I appreciate you, my boy. I'm gonna walk over here and get you up out of here.
Alright.
This shit is bad. He trying to go crazy in the Swift lot. Look, he trying to go crazy. He trying to set a nigga up. But I'm gonna go ahead and let my boy out. They'll walk my ass back to this damn truck. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Truck wrap is on the way. Y'all let me know what colors y'all think y'all think on. It's 2 colors though. It's 2 colors. You feel me? And we just go ahead from there. My boy got that bit out here. All right, my boy. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna hit you and let you know. All right. He got that bitch shining good. Now it's time to get in this truck and hit the hay. Yeah, man. It be feeling weird leaving everybody behind. And Illinois is a little bit in the way, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta get your money, man. One way or another. Man, that bit look good, though, going up there. Yeah, it do feel a little weird, though, leaving everybody behind. But I thought, wow, though, being over this road, I'm gonna get tired of it. I don't think I'm gonna get tired of it, seeing new things and new views. But I just know I'm gonna get tired of it because I'm gonna be wanting to be back home with family. If I still got a family. But I got a family, but my own family a little bit in the way, but don't let that go over y'all head. But we back at the truck. Go ahead and get up in here. Oh, almost dropped my shoe. Back in this joint. Well, I'm finna cut them. Turn that off. Finna turn on this joint. Turn on this overheat. Over there. Right here. Up here. and get my snacks. Turn on some TV. I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, wrap on the way, man. Stay tuned.